Hi, Peter. Good afternoon, everyone. This is what's left of Isaac, basically pushing all this rain into Kentucky right now. That will not directly affect us, but we're feeling the legacy effects of Isaac thanks to all the tropical air in our area. So as storms form today, that humidity will be making to feel uncomfortable outside and will contribute to some heavy downpours. 88 degrees right now in Charlotte, 90 across the board here from Chester to Lancaster into Chesterfield, and low 80s as we stretch off to the north. And outside, I've been tracking these scattered storms on live early warning Doppler 9 in the mountains, and just over the past 10 minutes, what I'm seeing is an increase right now into southern portions of Avery County, also into Watauga County. Plus, I'm also seeing more of these darker reds showing up. It was a heavy downpour just east of Linville Falls about 5 minutes ago. It's starting to lessen up a little bit, but the more we see those reds and oranges, what it indicates is that very heavy rain coming from that very humid air. Outside, the dew point numbers continue very high here from Charlotte on down into upstate South Carolina, making it feel oppressive outside. You do want to take it easy with your outdoor plans for today, and it will contribute to a big threat for heavy rain as storms do form. Notice as we track our thunderstorm threats here, heavy rain reaching the high category today. Just like yesterday, these storms will be slow movers, dumping a significant amount of rain over small areas. Lightning will also be a threat. Watch out for that as you get outside this afternoon. And gusty winds, I can't rule out a threat for some stronger wind gusts. The threat is really a bit lower there, just in the green category, but some of these storms will pack a brief punch with a wind gust over 40 to 50 miles per hour. Now, our futurecast shows a chance for scattered storms to start forming closer to Charlotte around 2 o'clock and continuing in the mountains and the foothills. And we will see scattered storms across the area as we head into the early evening hours tonight. So what you'll really see here is that not every community will get heavy rain, but you have to be prepared for that threat into the evening. Scattered storms will continue to threaten our area into the early evening tonight, finally dying down by midnight. And look at this trend here as we break it down day by day. More scattered thunderstorms continue here with the highest threat on Wednesday. And Thursday, we can't rule out wet weather for the event at Bank of America Stadium. Uptown Thursday, temperatures near 89 degrees and still warm and muggy for everybody. We'll be watching for a 30% chance for scattered storms, so there is some likelihood that we could escape dry. We'll have to keep an eye on live early warning Doppler 9 closely. In the Pinpoint Regional Forecast in the mountains today, we're going to see the most activity here early in the afternoon. As we move later into this afternoon, that activity will increase through the Charlotte metro area. Temperatures near 92 in the Queen City, very muggy for everyone here. Across Interstate 40, scattered storms increasing after 2 p.m. And as we head into upstate South Carolina, we'll see a threat for scattered storms increasing after 3 to 4 o'clock today. Coming up in the 5-day forecast, what I'm expecting to see more and more of these afternoon and evening storms. It may be September here, but of course we can't forget that in the Carolinas, it still can be a summery type of weather pattern, even though we are starting to get closer and closer to fall. So get prepared with your umbrellas. Certainly you'll need them.
I was going to say last night, some of the events around Uptown, those poor delegates were dodging the raindrops.
Yeah, Sarah and I mentioned this morning that we'd love to give everybody a taste of beautiful fall weather.
You know, normally it's not like this. So unfortunately, you know, it's pretty wet out there, and hopefully everybody brought their umbrellas with them.
Yeah, it's good to have that as a plan if you can.
It's like August normally is.
Yep, August really bleeding over now into September.
All right, thank you so much, Katie.